Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you advanced tips to recover from block board in Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on label to start your game. When the board feels blocked, don't panic. Take a moment to look at the entire layout. Notice which tiles are free and which ones are blocking the most matches. Identify the tiles that are blocking multiple others. These tiles are your priority. Clearing them first open up new moves and can unlock hidden matches quickly. Always clear top player's tile first because lower tiles are often stuck on the deck. Always focus on side tiles as freeing the edges can give you more space and prevent further blocking. When the board is cleared off, use Hint Shuffle. Hint shows a match instantly. Shuffle mixes the tile if no moves are left. Use them carefully to get the board moving again without wasting resources. And that's it. By assessing the board, focusing on blockers, clearing top layers and sides, planning ahead and using power-ups strategically, you can remove from any block board in Vita Mahjong on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.